Hi you guys, welcome back to our channel, Darren and Sherla. We are officially at Bequia Beach Hotel. Oh my gosh, I got a welcome drink, which is a rum punch. So good. Sometimes it's so hard to find a good rum punch, but we got a good one. So let's get into this room tour. When you first walk in, you have a closet. They actually put water and a couple of drinks in the fridge for us, which is really nice. Over here on this side, they have bug spray, like bug repellent for us. They have actual spray in case we see a bug because we are right on the beach. They have a safe, and they also had an adapter for your charger. Make sure that if you're from the US that you bring an adapter because they have European chargers. Let's get into the room. This is like West Indian coastal vibes. That's like the decor here, and I really like it. We are used to like moderate, and I love all forms, but this is like West Indian coastal vibes. I'm loving it. So on our bed, I love that the bed is a main feature of the room. It's really nice. They left us out some robes. So let's go into the bathroom. I love that they have a water closet for the toilet. We definitely like to be enclosed when we're using the toilet, so that's really nice. And then in the bathroom, I'm obsessed with the bathroom. The bathroom was the thing I was worried about because I'm very particular with my bathroom, but the lighting in the bathroom, the lighting is everything. I love this turquoise or teal. It's super beautiful, like the towels in the bathroom. Everything is really nice. And the touch of them putting the flowers in our towels, like how cute is that? I can just take the flower, put it behind my ear, put it in my hair for some photos, which I'm definitely gonna do. I love that they have Elemis products. This is a brand, they sell it at Sephora. I really love this brand. So they have it for the hand and body lotion, the soaps, and also for the body wash, shampoo, and conditioner, which is inside the shower. The shower is also really nice. They have a shower head that's detachable, and then they have like a rain shower head, which is so nice because we're right on the beach, especially in smaller Caribbean islands. Sometimes because you're right on the beach and there's not that many resources, you're not able to have the rain shower and just some of the luxuries that we really enjoy. So I'm so happy that we have that here, and this bathroom is so spacious. I can back all the way up here. So let's say I want to get ready while Darren's in the shower or he's at the sink. We have two sinks, but I can also back up. I can do my get ready in here, and the lighting in here is everything. Now, to the main attraction. We are staying in a 1-bedroom beachfront property. So when we walk out, we have a little area in front of the bed to where you can like put your shoes on, get ready. I love a bench in front of the bed. Another must in any hotel room for me is a full-length mirror. And they did it with this. The position of the full-length mirror, I can see my whole entire outfit. I can check myself right before I leave. And that is, again, such an underrated quality in a hotel room, but you have to have a full-length mirror. Down. So they kind of separated the bedroom from the living room with the walk down, which I really enjoy. So over here, I have never seen a desk this big. I've never seen a hotel with this big of a desk, but I absolutely love it in case we want to like edit over here. They give you a pamphlet all about Bequia Beach Hotel, which is nice. They have an espresso. And what I also like too is that they have instant coffee. So if you just want to heat up some water and have instant coffee, you can have that as well. I definitely am gonna take advantage of it. On the phone, this is, again, I'm just so picky, but having exactly what you need to call on the phone is just so perfect for me. I absolutely love it. I want to get into the seating area down here. This is like your little living room. Oh my gosh, this is comfortable. Yo, oh my gosh. This is so comfortable. Like, this decor on the chairs is not something I would normally like. Oh my gosh, I love this. But the way I just sat down, I feel like I'm stuck, and this is so comfortable. And the view outside. This is the beachfront, and I think this is what truly sells this room for me. Oh my gosh. This is truly breathtaking. Wow. I want to show you just how close we are to the beach. We are literally only steps away. I just don't know what more I could want. Just being steps away from the beach. It's so beautiful, you guys. I can't wait to show you everything that Bequia Beach Hotel has to offer. Thank you guys so much for watching our video. Make sure you come back for our Bequia vlog. And remember to always do more of what makes you happy. Bye.